You pull me up, you push me down. You keep spinning my heart round and round. You take me high, you bring me down. You keep spinning my heart round and round. Tell me what you're really feeling. I just can't wait no more. Tell me what you're really meaning. I can't take this anymore. Tell me what you're really feeling. I just can't wait no more. You pull me up, you push me down. You keep spinning my heart round and round. You take me high, you bring me down. You keep spinning my heart round and round.
Iya. Ito pa lang. Tara, papa tayo. Pwede, oh.
Tell me what you're really feeling. I just can't wait no more. Tell me what you're really meaning.
Yung iba, habol na.
Can't take this
Ayun, namatay.
anymore.
Tapos yung mga susunod, diretso na kayo. Kaya na rin dun sa ano sa choke point. Before mas yun. May masakit sila wait LP na dito, LP. Stop sa LP. Okay. Gago, wait lang. Mata-target tayo. Pero patay na yung warlock. Rainier, kailangan niya yata panahin yung mga warlock sa gilid. Okay, kill. Hindi, pag inakap yung LP, panahin niya. Hindi, ganito. Bilisan natin, push natin yung ano nila, yung stock nila. Tara. Angat ko na. Tara, angat tayo agad. Push.
Tell me what you're really feeling. I just can't wait no more. You pull me up, you push me down. You keep spinning my heart round and round. You take me high, you bring me down. You keep spinning my heart round and round.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang. Pa-isa-isa yung vlog nila. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Choke point. Largin natin. Ay, dito na tayo sa baba. Atras na. Pag nag-group natin sila. Teka. Ito. LP ko ulit. LP ko ulit. Pag RG natin para maganda yung clip. Dito lang sa LP ko. Sa LP ko. Hindi, dalawa kasi LP dito sa dulo. Yung may flag. Tara, rally Gamit na kayo immunity alloy Gamit na immunity alloy. Tara. Go tayo. Tara, push share. Push share RG.
Coming home. Your gravity was always gonna pull me close. No, I left in the dead of night. I was fooled by blinding light. Now I know that you're all I want. I am back where I belong. Fill my heart with adrenaline. There's a spark when I let you in. All this time
Ganito. Nasa likod naman. Wipe natin sa likod naman. Push yung likod. Ipit lang yun. Kaya sagat natin yung likod. Push sa likod.
Your
umapol dito. Ito ko.
Dropping ko na pre.
Huwag na kayo gagamit yan ha. Huwag na kayo gagamit yan.
wide awake. You and me.
Huwag tayo gumamit ng ano dyan. Kahit anong YouTube.
Nothing feels like coming home. Your gravity is always gonna pull me close. I am back.
Yun yung ulit gagi. Yung niptakot dito na, hindi lang.
Pero kung hindi mo kung
Uy, balik na yung namatay. Balik na yung namatay. Mapin na.
ano may kung makababalik, balik na pre.
Resto off. Resto off. Diba?
Paralit kayo ng harap natin.
Where I belong.
O dito, sagad muna tayo dito sa wall. Sagad tayo sa wall. Tapos,
Wala na, pinatay na pa rin ng RG.
Ha?
Sino kaya? May tumatay na RG
You
ko.
pull me up,
Patay ko po sa
you push me down. You keep spinning my
Makuri,
heart
kinuha
round
ng
and
Makuri.
round. You take me high, you bring me down. You keep
Huwag na kayo
spinning my
mag-chase ha. Huwag na kayo
heart
mag-overchase ha.
round.
Huwag nyo nang babaan yung
Tell me
flag.
what you really feel.
Umabante yung
I just can't wait no more. Tell me what you really mean it.
Dahil ang ano kaya?
Teka, ganito. Wait lang, wait lang. Dito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo sa lower left. Dito sa akin. Yung LP ko dito sa dulo.
Tell me what you really feel.
Balik na, balik na. Dito tayo sa lower left.
I just can't wait no more. You pull me up.
Maganda maano natin, mawait natin natin
You
yung mga
keep
kids.
spinning my
Mag-full dip na mga tayo.
You take me high, you bring me down. You keep spinning my heart round and
Maganda
round.
mabasag din natin yan. Gamit tayo Wampol, gamit kayo Wampol, steel eyes. Gamit kayo Wampol, steel eyes. Push nyo yung badas, push nyo yung badas, push nyo. RG, tumapang kayo. Push nyo, push nyo. Push. Push sila. LP lang.
Ligaw na nila pre.
Okay, push nyo na. Ngayon kayo tumapang. Yung mga mahuhuli dyan. Push nyo na.
Can't wait no more.
Ang dami ng sapatos, so expel nyo rin.
Ligaw na, ligaw.
Howling.
Ligaw pre, video niya pre.
Ano nyo? Tumakan nyo.
Di ba pre?
Ano nyo? Bombay nyo. Puta, ayaw ko kasi.
Yan, okay na. Maglalagpas sa stair ha.
Ganito. Kailangan natin nag-tumulong.